Okay, Kipsters, we are back on lesson 8 on percents. This is question number 6. In the brain strategy, the B stands for block. I'd love to block the answers, but I'm on a computer, so I'm just going to ignore them. Let's read the question. The Kleins spent $47 on dinner at a Mexican restaurant. If they left the waiter a 17% tip, what was the total cost of the meal? Okay, so some key information here. They go out and buy some dinner. They leave the waiter a 17% tip. The question asks, what was the total cost of the meal? Okay, immediately I see percent, and I'm thinking of that very important proportion. Part over total. Please make sure you're writing this down. Anytime I see a percent, part over total equals percent. Sorry it's ugly. It's hard to write on this thing. Over 100. Every time you see a percent, that is what you need to write down as your proportion. Okay, so they go to dinner. They spend $47. That's how much they spent. The tip was 17%, over 100. So I'm finding out here what the part is, basically what's 17% of $47. Alright, so we gotta do our cross multiplication thing. Got $47 times 17. Alright. See if you can get it done faster than me. I got my 0. I got my 0. I got my 7 times 7 is 49. I keep that 9. Bumped 4. Got my 7 times 4, 28 plus 4, 32. Done with you. Oh, that went purple. That was cool. Done with you. Sent one person off to college. Smile for the camera. And bam. Smiley face. Alright. Got my 1 times 0 is 0. I got another 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 7, 7. 1 times 4 is 4. Get my add on. Hey. Hey. 0, 0. What? 9, 9, 7. Alright. Man, that doesn't even look like money right now, but of course, I forgot to get my slide on. Got 2 places to the right of the decimal point here. I have none here, which means I got 2 here. Slide, slide, slippity slide. It's time for the decimal to take a ride 2 times. So 47 times 17, 799. All right, $799. Or something. That equals 100A. All right. Got to figure out what A is. A is attached to the 100 by multiplication, so I'm going to do the inverse operation, dividing both sides by 100. Cross the out, and we have 100 going into $799. All right. Let's see. Cover up, got enough? Nope. Back up. Got enough? Nope. Back up. 799 goes into 100. I can count that up. Not so bad. 700. All right. Stay with me, Kipsters. Hook the line, subtract. Subtract, subtract, subtract 99. Pull down that shade every time I pull down the shade. I must count by 100. Don't pass up 990. That's not hard either. Just make sure you're stacking it nicely. Goes in 9 times. Hook the line, subtract, 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 subtract. I got my 9 here, got my 0 here, and then I pull down the shade. Every time I pull down the shade, I must count by 100. Don't pass up 900. That's 9 times again. Don't forget to pop it like a time at the end. No remainder, 7.99. I see what that is. $7.99. That is what our tip is. And of course, look what they would do. Look at that first answer choice, y'all. $7.99. Oh, they want you to circle that so badly. But if you look at the question, it says, what was the total cost of the meal? Bam! That wasn't the total cost of the meal. That was just a tip. You got to add up the meal, plus the money you left the dude because he gave you some nice service. Now we're talking. Almost done. 9. Drop it like it's hot. 7 plus 7 is 14. Keep the 4. Bump that 1 up there. There we go. $54.99. Whoa. Get that thing over there. Eliminate the trick ones. I don't even know where B and D came from, to be honest. But letter C is your answer. Moral of the story, use proportions. Take your time. Read the question carefully and answer the question.